Hello guys, welcome in this episode of Forza Top Lap here in Horizon with the historic LFA. The real surprise came when Lexus, a brand synonymous with luxury sedans, announced the creation of a sports car, the LFA. The LFA defied expectations with its impressive specs, a 4.8-litre V10 engine, 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds, and a top speed of 202 miles per hour, outpacing the likes of a Ferrari 599 and an Aston Martin DBS. The meticulous attention to detail, from carbon fiber components to flappy paddle gear changes. After 11 years in the making, the LFA emerged as a masterpiece, shedding wheat and embracing carbon fiber for optimal performance. Behind the wheel, the LFA proved lively, with ferocious brakes and a penchant for precision. However, there's a twist in the tale when it comes to the price tag. At a staggering $340,000, the LFA sits in a realm of exclusivity, challenging conventional expectations. Now, the cheapest LFA models start at $900,000, surpassing the £1 million mark for impeccable specimens. Despite the hefty price, Hammond acknowledges the LFA as an engineer's dream, though he questions its practicality and market positioning.